Hello everybody, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to join Canva affiliate program. So before we dive into the video, there's a link in the description using which you can support to our channel and just donate. So that is going to be quite helpful. Okay, so now to join Canva affiliate program, you need to be first eligible for to simply join it. We have a criteria here, like for example, you should be an independent creator, not a brand or agency. You should be an individual creator, so it is pointing toward personal branding. Make sure you have that, and you have an active, engaged social media audience. And the more, the better, of course. If you have something like 100,000 followers, that it will help a lot. And commit to creating, publishing at least one piece of Canva related tutorial or feature per month on one of the specified platform above. So basically, you are going to be making one tutorial every month on Canva. So yeah, these are the main ones. So make sure you follow these, and you can get yourself into their affiliate program. So also they are available on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for this video, and I hope you found it informative. If you did so, make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate, and head over to Tutorials Hub for more videos like these.